I have a real problem with not throwing away wood. We got a mixture down there, I don't know what. Let's see. We got some little, they're big enough to do something with, but actually got some up there that's still rough, not milled. Under my workbench, bunch of scraps. Oh, this workbench. It's all good wood, I think. But my point is I have a real problem throwing wood away. There's some down there, some white oak, some poplar, some red oak, some maple, stuff that's need to be milled. Oh, look at these little scraps here, and then all this under here, underneath my radial arm saw. Some on the other side, all different kinds. Just more, just sitting on top here. That's all good stuff. Wood corner. Bunch of different pieces of plywood. Just throw it on the floor against the wall. Anybody else have that problem?